And hey guys, and welcome. Today we're over here at the Coronado Springs Resort, and as you can see, we're over here getting ready to do a filming of their pool. Now this is the dig site pool. This is their main pool on property, so it's the big theme pool. And this pool is actually going to share between that big tower in the background, which is the Grand Destino Tower, and the Coronado Springs Resort. As you guys walk in, you see the big Mayan pyramid right there with the waterfall coming down the staircase in front there. And you can see in the background there, you've got that little water spraying at that little totem pole looking thing. But this will give you guys an idea how big this pool is. This is a really good sized pool. If you guys get a chance to get over here and take a look at it, I think it's one of the nicer pools on property. It's really pretty. I would say that if I had to say that there was a flaw about the pool, I would say they do not have any shade around this pool. Now I don't know about you guys, but when I go swimming, I do like to have the umbrellas, or I like to have some trees over my head, because this sun is getting just way too hot down here anymore. So you guys got to take that into consideration when you're booking your resorts. This is what you have. So if you book here and you don't want to be out in the open sun, that might not have been the best choice, or get here super early and try to get one of the few places where you can get a little bit of shade. But now on this end here, you guys can see you got the shower, and on the back side of the shower, you got the water spraying out the pool. That's one of the little features I like, and I like this on 3 different sides. You got the staircase that walks down into the pool, so you don't got to go climbing up and down the ladders. You can just walk in and out, and if there are people in your way, you've got 3 sides to get into that pool. They've got ample lifeguards all the way around the pool. And in the back there, you can see they've got the Jaguar slide that comes right on down into the pool. Now that slide isn't one of the bigger slides on property. If you guys are looking for the bigger slides, you might want to consider going over to the Beach Club or the Saratoga Springs Resort, and they've got the paddock pool with the big slide over there. And they're probably the biggest slides on property. It is smaller for the kids and stuff like that. It's about the same size as the Port Orleans Riverside slide. A little bigger than the Port Orleans French River slide. But make your way over near the shower here. So that's the shower you'll wash before you go into the pool. And you've got that little sprayer there. And the temple is just really cool looking. When you guys look up at the temple in this totem pole structure, it's really cool looking to see that. It's just an enormous feature about the pool. But once again, it does lack with the shade, but it is an immense pool, so if you guys do get the opportunity to come over, please check it out. It's over here. You also got the handicap accessible lifts that'll get you in and out. Here's a look at some of the umbrellas back there. So you don't have a lot. You've got a couple of scattered out. You see the blue trail umbrellas. The red umbrellas are going to be the lifeguards. But you do got the artwork in the bottom of the pool there. That's kind of cool. And as you guys notice, it's actually not a bad day. It's a little bit busier than usual. And look how the pool is. Not really a lot of people in there, so there is a lot of swimming. But this, I would probably give this one here probably about 8 to 7 out of 10, just because of the shade. But other than that, it's a beautiful pool. But this has been the pool at the Coronado Springs Resort, and we'll see you guys in the next one.